Your Excellency, I have come on behalf of the ADC as a political party and its membership to warmly embrace you, welcome you. We have come to assure you of our commitment. It is therefore time for us to come together, to unite, and to make sure that we restore good governance, development, security for everybody in this country.
All right. Let me, on behalf of my humble self and my family, welcome you to my house, and I feel very much honored by this visit. I was very much and pleasantly surprised this morning when a call was made that the whole Waziri was coming to see me. So I feel very much elated and I am so happy, and therefore very much welcome you, and through you, welcome everybody. Let me say that as we all know, we have joined the ADC, and I'm also happy to say that my humble self and our group are team players. We are ready to work together with all the members and all the leadership, members of the leadership of the party. And I am so happy that I can comfortably say that so far, so good. We have been working together with all the members at national level and of course in Kano. And we will continue to work with all of you so that by the grace of God, the party, our party, ADC, can win not only in Kano or Northwest or Northern Nigeria, but in the entire country. So once again, Your Excellency, you are very much welcome, and we look forward to working together with you and through you, all other friends in the party and even beyond. Thank you and God bless you.
Kada na faɗi ne, idan na faɗa ku 'yan amshi ne.